Today we're going to be looking at how to multiply mixed numbers. And as you can see on the right hand side, there's many steps involved in this. So if you find that you get lost at any point, I encourage you to pause this video and take a look at some of the video links in the description below, where we break down some of these steps in a lot more detail. So we're being asked to multiply 2 1/3 times 3 2/4. So our first step here is to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. And as you might remember, the first step whenever we're converting a mixed number to an improper fraction is to multiply the value of the whole number by the value of the denominator. So to keep track of this, we're just going to go ahead and write this down below. So the denominator hasn't changed. It still has a value of 3, but we're going to multiply 3 times 2, and we're going to go ahead and add on the remaining one part here. So 3 times 2 gives us 6, plus 1 gives us 7. So we now have 7/3, and 7/3 is equivalent to 2 1/3. So now that we've converted the first mixed number, let's go ahead and convert the second number here. So let's go ahead and start out by just writing our denominator down below. And we know that we're going to multiply 3 times 4 in order to figure out the value of the whole number. So 3 times 4, and we're going to add on the additional 2 up top. So 3 times 4 gives us 12, plus 2 gives us 14. So we have 14 over 4. So now that we've converted these mixed numbers into improper fractions, we can go ahead and actually just start multiplying here. So our first step is going to be to multiply the value of the denominators. And we know that 3 times 4 gives us 12, so our new denominator is going to be 12. So now we can go ahead and multiply our numerators, and we know that 7 times 14 gives us an answer of 98. So now that we've multiplied the values of our denominators and our numerators, we need to go ahead and convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and divide the value of our numerator by the value of our denominator to see how many whole groups of 12 we have. And we know that 12 goes into 98 8 times, and that 8 times 12 is 96. So we can go ahead and write a 96. And 98 minus 96 gives us 2. So we have 8 whole parts with a remainder of 2. So when we're writing this answer, we know that we're going to have a whole number of 8 in our mixed number, and we have a remainder of 2. So that's going to be the numerator 2 because we have 2 remaining parts. And the value of our denominator is still 12. It hasn't changed. So that gives us 8 2/12. And now for our last step, we're going to go ahead and simplify this fraction because we can divide both of these numbers by 2 because they're both multiples of 2. So we're going to go ahead and divide both of these numbers by 2. Our whole number is still 8. It hasn't changed. 12 divided by 2 gives us 6 for our new denominator, and 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. So 2 1/3 times 3 2/4 gives us 8 1/6. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how to multiply mixed numbers. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. As always, enjoy today's math lesson.